Hi, it's Kiara from InsuredMine. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to set up the scheduler link in our calendar module. The way the scheduler link will work, you can send a link to your customers directly through an automation, or you can paste it at the bottom of your email signature, and customers will be able to book meetings based upon your calendar availability. Please note that the calendar that will be used to create the scheduler link is also the same calendar that's tied to the email that you have synced with your InsuredMine account. You'll navigate to the calendar module, and on the far corner, you're going to see scheduler. You'll click Add Scheduling Page. You'll give your meeting a title. Where does the event take place? This can be your office phone number, it can be a Zoom link, whatever you would like. And then how long will the meeting take place? You'll click Next. You'll decide when can the meeting be booked. You can have different times on different days. And then how far in advance can this meeting be booked? The last step is to create a slug. The slug could be the title of the meeting. So this is the link that would be sent out to all of your customers. And you'll click Create. To add more settings to your scheduler page that you've just created, you'll select Edit. And here you can edit any of the information that you filled out on that first page. Type in a cancellation policy. If you have multiple calendars synced to your email, you can decide which calendar should it look at for availability. Open hours as time zones. You can change this if you need to. Booking flow, whether the meeting can be booked automatically and it'll confirm, or whether you would like to manually confirm the meetings themselves. If you'd like an email reminder to be sent to the guests and sent to you as well, and you can also add more reminders if you'd like. Custom fields, this will ask the customer information as they're selecting a time to schedule with you. This is the best place to ask for phone number if you plan to call them. So you would add the field for phone. And then the last stop is page styles. So here's where you can type in your company name, upload your logo, change the theme color, whatever you'd like, and then send a thank you message to your customer. You'll click Save and Exit, so it'll update that scheduling link that you have just created. You can copy the link for your meeting, and you can add this at the bottom of your email signature. The very first scheduler that you create will be the scheduler link pasted when you select the scheduler tag from any engagement automation or any pipeline automation. From the customer's perspective, you can click View, and it's going to show availability based upon your calendar. The customer can come in and select Confirm, fill out their required information that you have asked, and then click Submit.